Royal Caribbean Cruises owns 3 global cruise brands: Royal Caribbean Celebrity Cruises and Silversea Cruises. They also have a 50% joint venture interest in TUI Cruises GmbH, which operates the German brands TUI Cruises and Hapag-Lloyd Cruises. Their combined fleet has 68 ships. These global brands offer vacation experiences targeting different market segments within the industry. Royal Caribbean is the largest brand, catering to families with children of all ages and older couples. While Celebrity Cruises targets consumers in the premium segment, smaller ships and ultra-luxury experience are offered by Silversea Cruises. TUI Cruises GmbH is a joint venture that operates the German cruise brands TUI Cruises and Hapag-Lloyd Cruises. These are referred to as partner brands. TUI is 50% owned by the company and TUI AG. It offers products tailored for the German market, targeting the contemporary and premium segments. The partner brands operate a total of 9 ships, with an aggregate capacity of approximately 20,290 berths. The cruising industry is a popular vacation sector in North America, Europe, and Australia with potential for long-term growth. Market penetration rates have been increasing but are still relatively low. The industry operates a fleet with a weighted average of around 706,000 berths and had 432 ships at the end of 2024. There were approximately 50 ships on order expected to be placed in service through 2028. The global cruise industry carried about 36 million guests in 2024, 32 million in 2023, and around 20 million in 2022. Aside from other cruise lines, competition in the cruise industry can also come from land-based vacation alternatives, such as resorts, hotels, and theme parks. Some of the main cruise line competitors are Carnival Corporation, Disney Cruise Line, MSC Cruises, Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, Viking, and Virgin Voyages. The Safety, Environment, Sustainability, and Health Committee also monitors overall strategies and policies impacting guest and crew safety and health. The company focuses on consumer engagement by identifying product features and innovations valued by customers, targeting high-value guests, and investing in communication strategies that resonate with target audiences. They aim to enhance the vacation experience, invest in experiences that drive marketability and profitability, and improve e-commerce capabilities. In order to improve on cost efficiency, capital allocation, and liquidity, Royal Caribbean builds ships at a moderate growth rate, which generates higher revenue yield premiums and is more efficient and environmentally friendly than older vessels. There's also an emphasis on penetrating new markets and diversifying its consumer base by deploying ships to new locations and offering a wide selection of itineraries that cover over 1,000 destinations worldwide. Investments are made in private land destinations to provide unique experiences for guests, such as their Perfect Day collection. Furthermore, they collaborate with local and governmental entities to develop and manage port facilities and infrastructure in key ports of call, which secures preferential berthing rights for their ships. Technology is important in a supporting role for enhancing customer experiences before, during, and after vacation. Tools are developed to deepen customer relationships, improve digital experiences, and increase onboard revenue. The company has expanded digital capabilities into operations using data analytics, artificial intelligence, and improved connectivity through partnerships like SpaceX's Starlink. They also focus on cybersecurity and data privacy while investing in modernized solutions for scalability and faster response times. Likewise, travel advisor relationships, consumer outreach, and e-commerce are key parts of Royal Caribbean's business strategy. They maintain strong ties with travel partners, offering competitive commission rates and incentives. Dedicated sales representatives and trained customer service are available to support their travel advisors. They also operate a consumer outreach department for 24/7 consumer support and invest in website development, including mobile apps, for easy booking and communication channels. Their e-commerce capabilities are continuously advanced to provide guests with an enhanced vacation shopping experience, including onboard bookings of various services. Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises, and Silversea Cruises handle various travel aspects for their guests, such as reservations, transportation, and loyalty programs. They offer recognition and cruise benefits through their loyalty programs, which have over 26 million enrolled members worldwide. The programs provide tiered membership benefits, including priority waitlist for shore excursions, complimentary laundry service, internet, digital discount vouchers, upgraded bathroom amenities, reserved seating and entertainment venues, ship tours, and even complimentary cruises for the most loyal guests. They continuously work to enhance their loyalty programs by adding new features and amenities to reward repeat guests. Cruise ticket pricing includes accommodations, meals, and entertainment. Prices depend on factors like destination, cruise length, stateroom category, time of year, and bundled amenities. An upfront deposit is usually required to confirm a reservation, with the balance due before sailing. Cruises are generally available for sale 1 to 2 years in advance. Demand-based pricing strategies aim at maximizing net yields. Global business growth leads to varying sales arrangements, such as through travel advisors in China's market compared to other markets. Enhancements have been made to the reservation system for easier business operations. Passenger ticket revenues constitute around 70% of total revenue. Onboard activities and services contribute to additional revenue streams. These include gaming, sale of beverages, internet services, gift shop items, shore excursions, photography, spa and fitness services, art auctions, retail shops, and specialty dining options. Some of these services are available for pre-booking, and the company offers both pre- and post-cruise packages, as well as cruise vacation protection coverage. Onboard and other revenues accounted for about 30, 31, and 34% of total revenues in 2024, 2023, and 2022, respectively. When it comes to insurance, coverage for liabilities and other exposures encompasses hull and machinery insurance. In addition, Royal Caribbean is a member of 4 protection and indemnity clubs and has war risk insurance. Other insurance coverages like shoreside property and casualty, passenger off-vessel accidents, directors' and officers' liability, and network security and privacy are also maintained. However, business interruption insurance is not carried due to the perceived risks versus costs. So the availability and affordability of insurance coverage in the future is considered a potential risk. Naturally, regulations and laws can also be extensive since ships operate under various international, national, state, and local laws, regulations, and treaties. Ships are regulated by multiple jurisdictions and registered in different countries like Bahamas, Cyprus, Malta, and Ecuador. They must adhere to safety standards such as SOLAS, ISM code, and STCW, which cover ship design, crew training, and emergency procedures. The company also complies with security requirements like the ISPS code and U.S. Maritime Transportation Security Act, MTSA. The Cruise Vessel Security and Safety Act of 2010 is another legislation that applies to vessels that embark or include port stops within the United States. Furthermore, environmental protection laws and regulations related to air emissions, water and waste management prohibit discharging certain materials into waterways, along with requirements to reduce their emissions. The company has incurred and will continue to incur costs to comply with these laws. Stricter regulation may increase compliance costs in the future. Their ships adhere to international, regional, and national regulations such as the MARPOL regulations and the Ballast Water Management Convention, as well as requirements from bodies like EU directives and the U.S. Vessel General Permit. The company has obtained relevant compliance certificates for all their ships. International shipping emissions regulations known as MARPOL limit sulfur content for global ship emissions, reduced to 0.5% since January 1, 2020. Similar regulations relate to greenhouse gas emissions, especially those implemented by the IMO and EU. Regarding ballast water management, the IMO Ballast Water Management Convention requires ships to meet specific discharge standards and maintain an approved ballast water management plan. Compliance with this regulation is not expected to have a material effect on the company's operations. So as environmental compliance is adhered to, and efforts are made to cater to travel trends, Royal Caribbean will keep riding the waves of this industry's peaks and troughs. For more on Royal Caribbean cruises and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.